Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Alright, basically in this video I'm just going to be explaining exactly what we're going to be going over in the future of this tutorial and kind of just like how to make games. And so, from this tutorial, I'm sure that you've seen that there's a lot of mod.io tutorials out there. So this is probably nothing new, but basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to teach you guys from a different kind of perspective because a lot of the videos out there right now, most of them kind of help you to make maybe cool things. Like, for example, look at this image. Maybe they would teach you how to make that gun, or maybe how to move things around in a cool way, or how to make this cool door. But it never really teaches you how to program for yourself and make unique ideas on the spot. Because I'm sure as a developer, you have a lot of really cool ideas that you want to put out onto mod.io. But yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you guys from a more programming based perspective. So this is a more intermediate tutorial. So if you guys are real beginners, I might be working on a tutorial for beginners later on. But for now, I think that mod.io has a basic tutorial that you guys can work on just to get familiar. And then you can come here because this is going to be a more scripting heavy tutorial. So what I'll be doing is I'll like make a blank template, and then I'm going to have you guys show you how to code properly and how to use the editor and things like that. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'll see you guys in the next video.